So the eruption is over for now. More on that in a second. First off, there is now a massive new lava field that has changed the terrain and landscape here on the Reykjanes Peninsula of Iceland. In addition, there is finally some good news for the residents of the town of Grindavik. The police chief is allowing people to go back and stay in their homes in Grindavik starting today, December 23rd. This means they are allowed to go back and celebrate Christmas at home, though only residents can go back, no visitors yet. Whether or not people actually want to go back to their homes just yet is a different story. They are saying there is no chance of an eruption in Grindavik in the next week. Wait, no chance for the next week? That's right. The magma dike under the town of Grindavik and the one that just erupted is not done yet. Magma is still inflowing into this dike, meaning it is growing and still increasing its reservoir of magma. However, it does seem that the magma is pooling in the area of the eruption, which is northeast of Grindavik and not directly under the town itself. This is also just east of the Blue Lagoon and the geothermal power plant. There is uplift in the land right now, which indicates magma is pooling underneath. The uplift is in the area that we saw about a month ago, and it's occurring again near the Blue Lagoon, just a tad east of there. What does this mean? Well, no one knows for sure, but it does mean that not all the magma in the dike below was ejected from the eruption earlier this week, and that all the pressure is still building underground. So there is still a high chance that there will be another eruption. There was a new danger assessment map released, and the area around the eruption site is still considered to be the most dangerous and the most high risk, with the Blue Lagoon area and Grindavik at a lower risk but still considered dangerous. So while for now there is good news for the residents of the town of Grindavik and for tourists and Blue Lagoon lovers all over the world, this isn't over yet, and we will have to wait and see what happens next.